Be famous on YouTube. I'm gonna show you a lot of fidgets that I have. Hold on. Let me just set the camera here. These like different flower things. I like, hold on. Just getting the shape that I like the most. I like it this way. This is my favorite shape to put it into, because it looks kind of like a flower planet. This is how it came in the package. Then I just folded this. Wait, no, not. To make like a planet type of thing. I gave my cousin one to celebrate for my birthday. That was on the last day of 3rd grade video. Go watch that. Purple and gold is my favorite in those type of things. Pink and blue and purple are my favorite colors. My friend Emily, she gave me this. I think I showed you in one of my other videos. A marble mash, I think it's called. And she also gave me this, which I called the talking pig. It's not supposed to be like this, but I did. Hello. This dragon, this like cat. And I also have this Linky. Stress ball. And I have monkey noodles, but I don't know where they are. This is a light up flashlight. On this part, it lights up. On this part, so yep.